How to do a voiceover in DaVinci Resolve. Make a new project, add something into the timeline, and for the tutorial I'm going to be showing you what it's like when you have multiple tracks, and let's put the music in track 2. And now before we do anything, we want to connect our microphone, and you want to connect your microphone physically into your computer before you open DaVinci Resolve. I've noticed it doesn't really work the other way around. So once you connect your microphone, open your project and everything, go up to this DaVinci Resolve tab and click Preferences. Might have to navigate down to Video and Audio. And while we're here, real quick, I have this all the time, but sometimes I'll be wearing headphones and then the audio from the timeline will play out of my laptop speakers. So next to output device, you want to click the speakers that you're using. So if you're having that problem, that's how you fix it. But for input device, you want to click the microphone that you want to be recording with. Now navigate to this little music note, also called the Fairlight tab. You can see our music is in Audio 2 or A2, and we want to do the voiceover in Audio 1 or A1. So going to this mixture section, if you want, you can expand it. We have all of our different tracks here, and the music would be in this one, which is A2, and we want to record in A1. So we're going to click No Input under A1, then click Input. And for some reason, DaVinci Resolve likes to do this really cool thing sometimes where they just duplicate your microphone for no reason. Yeah, I'm sure someone out there understands the technical reason for it, but I don't. So let's click number 1. You kind of have to play with it to figure out which one is the real one. And when you look at that, Audio 1L and Audio 1R are both already picked for us. But hey, if we wanted to go and say record into track 3, then we would unclick those and then highlight Audio 3L and Audio 3R. Or you could have just clicked A3 to begin with. But we're doing track 1 right now, so click those and then click Patch. Those should darken and exit. And now, if we go into Audio 1 and click Arm for Record, now when I talk, you can see the waveform go up and down. And then when we're ready to record, we click this button here. Now we can say whatever we want, and when we want to stop recording, we click this button. Then when we want to play it back, click the up arrow, click the space bar. That should play it. You can't hear it right now, but there it is. If only I understood why they duplicate the microphone. What is one stereo and the other isn't? Okay.